Rearing tank 3, clear.
Copy that, moving the last batch now.
Sector Gamma transfer complete. All tanks initialized.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to calibration check.
Scales look good on Unit 7. Logging body condition score is a 3.
Transfer successful. Moving to conveyor 2.
Acknowledged. Speed adjusted for intake.
Sample collected. Label applied to P09er.
Confirmed. Moving to refrigeration immediately.
Alert confirmed. Pathogen detected on Module 2. Logging sequence initiated.
Clear this one, moving to the next. Confirmed. All green on the last batch.
Assignment confirmed for holding bay 7.
Diverter sequence initiated. Monitor the transfer.
Gate sequence 17 is clear. Divert to holding bay 3.
Confirmed. Bay 3 receiving.
Check the thermal readings on Bay 4.
Stable. All timers synchronized and verified.
Automated sensors track the Python's fasting periods. ensuring strict adherence to protocol.
Probe applied. Sedation level reading nominal.
Confirmed. Log updated. Moving to specimen 4B.
Keep the tension steady on the left guide.
Looks clean. Speed remains at 0.5 meters per second.
Watch the guides on the next one, it's a little tight.
Got it. Adjusting pressure now. Check the alignment on arm 7, it's slightly off.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
Timings are synchronized on line 3.
Acknowledged. Adding the mixture now.
Check the pH levels on VAT 3.
Looks stable, increasing agitator speed now.
Increase the rotation speed on VAT 3.
Acknowledged. Raising to 40 RPM.
Keep the flow steady on the left side.
Adjusting the speed now, almost clear.
Ready for tension sequence 1.
Engaging hydraulics now.
Ready on platform 3.
Engaging hydraulics now.
The synchronized rhythm of the roller line ensures a perfect, high-gloss finish on every piece of exotic leather.
We're approaching the break threshold on sample 7.
Logging the tension variance now.
The gauge is climbing rapidly.
Okay, I'm logging the peak tension now.
Check the alignment on the tape.
Looks clean. Keep the line moving.
We are ahead of schedule for the Python shipment.
The new stacking algorithm is working perfectly.
Clear for dispatch on Bay 2.
Confirmed. Moving to the next load.
Seal confirmed on Unit 4. Gate clear for departure.
Roger that. Bringing Unit 7 forward.
Route 4 cleared for optimization. ETA updated to 1400 hours.
Route 4 optimized. ETA revised to 1400 hours.
Confirmed. Alert on Sector 7 cleared. We are good to go.
Pallet 34B scanned. Move it to conveyor 2.
Copy that. Bringing the next one in now.
The throughput is exceeding the target by 10%.
Good. Keep monitoring the error rate on the new line.
Shelf 4, position cleared.
Copy that. Moving next crate.
Sequence confirmed. Moving to Bay 4.
Scan complete. Lift 3, proceed to level 12.
We need to make sure the scales catch the light perfectly.
I've adjusted the angle on this one. It looks great now.
Secure the left anchor first.
Got it. Hand me the Python duffel.
Dialing up to 80%.
Okay, I have synchronization on the Anaconda display.
Looks good.
sensor activation is stable now.
Yes, the calibration is successful.
Notice the detailed stitching here and the unique tactile quality of the Python scales. We log every interaction.
Please notice the detailed texture of the Python leather. We are now logging the interaction and resetting the display for the next client.
Chip inserted. Approved. Here is your receipt, sir.
Here are your bags. Thank you. Have a great day.
Check the Python stock levels for Region 3.
Verified. The automatic update processed correctly at 1400 hours.
Checking the Python leather stock now. Looks like the recent sales are processed.
Yes, the numbers match the checkout data. We are green across the board.